बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब? एकदम मजे में। ओके माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, आज मेरे पास बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है आप लोगों के लिए, जिसमें मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ द स्ट्रेंज फ्रेंड के बारे में। ओके, सो द टाइटल इज द स्ट्रेंज फ्रेंड एंड व्हाट इज देयर इन दिस स्टोरी? Rishi, a determined 5th grade student from a poor family, aimed to secure fee concessions at school to continue studying. ठीक है, फीस माफ़ी के लिए वो अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी कर सके, इसलिए उनकी फ़ीस माफ़ कर दी जाए। तो इसके लिए उनका एम यही था, पर्पस यही था। फेसिंग अ क्रूशियल हाई जंप कॉम्पिटिशन अगेंस्ट अ formidable rival Surya, Rishi's doubt faded when Surya unexpectedly offered support. Their encounter led to a heartwarming outcome and the start of an unlikely friendship. देखिए, दो राइवल्स की भी दोस्ती हो सकती है, कभी सोचा है आपने? चलिए इस स्टोरी को शुरू करते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले लेट्स स्टार्ट अप. What you have to do in this? What quantities do you think your friend possesses? या क्या qualities उसमें होनी चाहिए? What qualities do you think your friend possesses and how do these qualities help him, her? Write a short character sketch of your best friend. Right? Let's read the story. Rishi was a stoutly built, tall, dark-skinned student of 5th standard. Okay, 5वीं क्लास में वो पढ़ते थे. He came from a poor family. His father was poor and was not sure if he would be able to pay for the fee and other expenses on Rishi's education. तो बहुत गरीब थे और ये भी नहीं पता था कि इतना खर्चा उठा पाएंगे ऋषि की पढ़ाई का या नहीं उठा पाएंगे. सो ही वांटेड हिम टू ड्रॉप आउट. तो वो उसे घर पे बिठाना चाहते थे, पैसा नहीं है तो पढ़ाएंगे कैसे. However, ऋषि wanted to continue his studies under any circumstances, क्योंकि उसे बहुत प्यार था पढ़ाई से और वो चाहता था किसी भी तरह किसी भी हाल में उसकी पढ़ाई ना छूटे. So the announcement from the principal brought a great comfort for him. क्या announcement हुई? आइए देखते हैं. She had said, those who stand first in midterm test will be given half fee concession. जो भी बच्चे मिड टर्म की एग्ज़ाम में फर्स्ट आएंगे उनको हाफ फी कंसेशन मिलेगा. Same is the case with those students who stand first in GK quiz and any event of the school annual sports. To top it, anyone who stands first in any 4 events will be given full fee concession. अगर आप 4 events में कोई भी 4 events पे फर्स्ट आ जाओगे तो पूरी फीस माफ़ हो जाएगी. फ्री बुक्स मिलेंगी एंड फ्री ड्रेस फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर. वाह, कितना मज़ा आया होगा ना सुन के ऋषि को, है ना. उसकी तो सारी जैसे इच्छाएं पूरी हो गई हों, लेकिन अभी भी एफर्ट करना बाकी था, है ना. तो देखिए, ऋषि हैड स्टूड फर्स्ट इन द मिड टर्म टेस्ट. चलिए एक काम तो हो गया, राइट. हाफ तो फी माफ. अब आया ही हैड स्टूड फर्स्ट इन जीके क्विज टू. चलिए ये भी सेकेंड और 4 में हमें फुल फी के लिए 4 में करना था. ही हैड सक्सीडेड इन स्टैंडिंग फर्स्ट इन द 1000 मीटर रेस एज वेल. He was quite good at high jump and it was his last hope in order to make 4 events to his name and continue with his studies. चौथा इवेंट पूरी उम्मीद थी वो भी जीतेंगे and he had to win it under all circumstances. जीतना बहुत ज़रूरी था क्योंकि उसको पूरी फीस माफ़ करवानी थी, अदरवाइज पापा तो घर बिठा देंगे. चलिए 2 वर्ड्स हैं हमारे पास जो डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स में उनका मीनिंग देख लेते हैं. स्टाउटली, स्ट्रांगली, ड्रॉप आउट मीन्स टू गिव अप. ऋषि labored hard to high jump, taking advice from the sports teacher how he should better his performance. He was scared that he would have to drop out if he did not win it. उसने बताया कि मतलब उसे डर भी लग रहा था कि अगर नहीं जीत पाया तो घर बैठना पड़ेगा. And thoughts crowded his mind as he walked towards the teacher for qualifying jump. Classes 4 and 5 were competing in the same group. He was confident that none from the 4 class could beat him, but देयर कुड बी अ थ्रेट फ्रॉम द 5th क्लास. अब 4th क्लास में तो ऐसा कोई उन्हें दिखा नहीं कि जो उनको हरा सके, और लेकिन क्लास 5 में उन्हें लग रहा था कि कोई ना कोई मुझे हरा सकता है. द टीचर मेड ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स स्टैंड इन अ लाइन. ही एक्सप्लेन टू दैम द रूल्स ऑफ द गेम, and every one of them was to be given 3 chances to clear 3 feet height to enter the next round. Rishi was quite confident to enter the next round because he often cleared 4 like 4 inch जो अपनी हाइट है उसके लिए 4'6" हाइट उनकी थी in practice. Okay, so he looked at his competitors to see who could compete with him. His heart sank at seeing a tall boy. Oh no, what a height! He exclaimed at his gaze fixed at the extraordinarily well-built tall boy. उस लंबे जो लड़का था जो कॉम्पीट कर रहा था उसको देख के उसके तो हवाई उड़ गई, है ना. वो तो ऐसा हो गया कि जैसे पता नहीं क्या होगा. He was Surya from another section. He could give me a tough competition, thought Rishi. With this, he felt his breath going uneasy. If he competes, I won't have a chance to win, was his first thought. With this, he felt himself quite vigorless. The participants began to take qualifying jumps. The tall boy's turn came first. In the first jump itself, he cleared 4'6" easily and was selected for the next round. Rishi knew he had to put in extra effort to win, yet it would be difficult. This thought so he overpowered his mind that he could not jump even the 3-foot height on the first trial jump. Disappointed, he went for the second jump, but no, it was a foul. He had upset the bail. He was panicked now. He was breathing heavily and was losing all hopes of winning the event. And with that, his chance to continue his education. As Rishi walked for the third jump, his last chance to enter the next round, the tall boy came to him and said, I know, you are a fine high jumper. What has happened to you? Are you okay? Rishi looked up at his face. Come on, Rishi. I know you are going to clear it. Rishi felt a bit easy. The encouraging words of his rival had given him some confidence. सोचिए, जहाँ राइवल खड़ा हो वो सोचता है अरे ये हारे और मैं जीतूं. उस राइवल ने आकर उसे कहा कि भाई क्या हो गया, मुझे पता है तुम बहुत अच्छे हो, अभी आज क्या हुआ, करो, कर सकते हो आप. बस उन्हीं शब्दों ने उसे फिर से उम्मीद जगा दी. He took a deep breath and concentrated fully on his target. And this time he was able to clear the qualifying round without any problem. As he walked away, he felt a soft touch on his shoulder. He looked up. It was the tall boy smiling. He said, well done, Rishi, I'm Surya. इतने अच्छे बच्चे भी होते हैं. I didn't know. Glad to meet you, said Rishi, shaking his hand. How are you? I'm fine. Is there some problem with you? Said Surya. Rishi and Surya talked all for long. Surya too was 5th standard student from the other section. Like Rishi, he too had 3 firsts to his name. He too needed to stand first to gain freeship. But he belonged to a rich family. In a few moments, they had become friends. They talked about many things. When the final jumps began, Surya said, Rishi, you must do the best you can. Else, don't blame your luck. Good luck. So, कुछ difficult words भी देख लेते हैं बेटा. Foul is mistake, upset is to disturb, rival is to competitor, and concentrate is to fix attention. Let's continue. सेम टू यू सेड ऋषि. जब उन्होंने गुड लक बोला तो उन्होंने उसको गुड लक विश किया. सूर्या टर्न केम फर्स्ट. ही जम्प्ड for 9 high, and Rishi had not touched this height previously, but he was resolute enough to do something higher. As Rishi got ready to take the run, he saw that Surya was standing just next to him, clapping and encouraging him. His resolve pushed his physique to peak performance. As he fell on the mattress across the pole, there were loud shrieks from the audience. What he had achieved was the new school record. It was 4:11. He had broken the previous school record of 4:10 by 1 inch. As the people crowded around Rishi to congratulate him, Surya was the first. They locked each other in arms. A new friendship had taken root. So, ऐसा शायद ही आप लोगों को देखने को मिले कि जब हम compete करते हैं किसी से, तो ऐसी स्पिरिट जो हमें अपने राइवल, जो हमारा कॉम्पिटिटर है, उसके लिए अच्छी स्पिरिट दिखाई दे. हम उसे भी उसकी फीलिंग्स को समझें और उससे भी अप्रिशिएट करें. यस, उसको अप्रिशिएट करके इंस्पायर करें. यस, यू कैन डू. अगर वो नर्वस है तो ऐसा बहुत कम होता है बच्चों, पर हम इसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं. जब हम अच्छे हैं, दूसरों को इंस्पायर करें तो वो भी अच्छा करेंगे. थिंक अबाउट एवरीवन, नॉट ओनली योरसेल्फ. और compete करना है तो हेल्दी कंपटीशन रखें. I am very happy with the like gesture that person, that boy has shown. Good job. ऋषि का सपना पूरा हो गया, और ऋषि के सपने के साथ साथ उसे एक ऐसा नया फ्रेंड मिल गया जिसने उसका राइवल होते हुए भी उसे अप्रिशिएट किया, उसे सपोर्ट किया. चलिए बच्चों, जो स्टोरी आपने पढ़ी है उसके बेस पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस कर लेते हैं. व्हाट वी हैव लर्नड, एक्सट्रैक्ट पेस्ट क्वेश्चंस, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, ओके, इन ए पार्ट, एंड इन बी पार्ट रीड द गिवन एक्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम द स्टोरी एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो. Fill in the blanks in C part, and in D part complete the following sentences with the help of the story. And in E part write T for true and F for false statement. And in F part answer the following questions in short. And in G part answer the following questions. Quotes. How did the encounter between Rishi and Surya during the high jump competition teach Rishi a valuable lesson beyond the field? And what broader significance does their friendship hold in the context of societal disparities and camaraderie? And now what you have to do, you have to play with words, and in which you have to make sentences of your own with the help of given words. Grammar in use. We have learned that when a noun refers to one person, animal or thing, we say that the noun is in singular. When a noun refers to more than one person, animal or thing, we say that the noun is plural. So here are some singular nouns with their plural nouns for you. And schools, loaves, buffaloes, quizzes, valleys, pencils, faxes, families, mischiefs, men. And now rewrite the sentences changing the nouns to the singular form of plural and or plural form as required. Make other changes as required. और कुछ भी आपको लगता है तो change करें. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of nouns and given within brackets. We have enriched your skills. Listen carefully your teacher and speak out. Suppose you have an aquarium at your home, then tell your class how you take care of your fish and what you give them to eat. In writing part, suppose you met an old blind woman on road and you helped her cross the road. Write your experience in your notebook and hands-on fun. Draw or paste a picture of yours and your best friend together that you have or would like to have. And while doing this, have fun, enjoy.